Right then, here we have for sale my 2003 on a 53 plate Renault Master. It's a 2.5 DCI. It's a long wheelbase, medium height, 120 brake horsepower. As you can see there, as you can see the front tyre, it's got plenty of grip. Let's go inside first. It's got nice seat covers. I know it's a bit dirty, but it's got a nice double internal mat. 164,103 miles. Start it up. Actually, let's go around the van first. So you've got a CD player, air conditioning. I've added 2 extra cigarette lighters because it only had the one for the sat nav and the charging and so forth. I use this van for travelling around the country doing track days on my ZX10. I've now stopped doing and sold the bike, so the van is going. It's a little bit tatty, it hasn't been used since 2018. When I say tatty, it's got a couple of little scuffs and little rust spots around it. It's a bit dirty at the moment because it's been parked up. As you can see, brand spanking new tyre on the back, 2 brand new ones on the back, 2 good ones on the front. Needs to go clean. The ramp isn't going with the van, that'll be taken out, but I've covered the back of the van with really thick lino, brand new wood. It's in really good condition. The inside of the van is, because it's the glass windows. For security, I put metal over the back windows. It's got 2 spare wheels, which are brand spanking new tyres, never been on the road, and the jack and so forth is down there. Quickly climb in the van, show you. Got obviously the normal anchor points, none of this stuff will obviously go with the van. It's got LED flick on lights, 2 of them, is one there as well. Good size on the inside of this van. So let's put that stand back up. That's what I used to load my motorbikes on with. Got a sticker on the back, which can obviously be taken off. I put 2 brand new rear calipers on the back of this a few years back. New discs and pads all round. Side loading door. The keys. So again, as you can see, side loading door works as it should. 3 seats at the front, all the towing iron stuff in the back. Again, same as the other side, good tyre on the front. So let's start it up. The van is being sold as spares or repair because since I've parked it up, it's now developed a miss. I don't know whether it's a sensor or what have you. So and again, there's a little bit of smoke when you give it some high revs. As you can see, all running, but it's not that. So yeah, any please welcome.